Levi's will test AI-generated clothing models to increase diversity. Does that count? Isn't the whole point of that people want those people hired for jobs? Like, isn't that... I don't know. Yeah.
It'll definitely be easier.
The denim brand claims the tech will be used to supplement human models rather than completely replace them. Oh, yeah. We never heard that before. Self-checkout. This is just gonna... ATM machines.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, no. Yeah. People are not going to be modeling as much in the future. I think we're all pretty aware of that. Levi's will begin testing AI-generated clothing models later this year in a bid to diversify the iconic denim brand's online shopping experience. The planned experiment was revealed last week alongside Levi's partnership with LaLaLand.ai, a digital fashion studio that creates realistic AI-generated fashion models. Currently, most products advertised on the Levi's app or website can only be viewed on a single clothing model. The AI clothing models created by this partnership could be more body inclusive. So you could select fat, skinny, medium, tall, short, whatever, and then be like, that's what it would look like on me.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Well, that's useful, I suppose, because you never, you know what the real deal is, though? If you just train your own model of you, and then there is some open or universal standard for when you hit the e-commerce site, that
it kind of maps out your body.
You just try on any size of any item on your actual body type. Because they have small, medium, large measurements. It's all stupid. Arm length from wrist to shoulder, inseam. Get out of my face.
Yeah, the sizing charts always get me. And they're always different.
Even shoe sizes. Yeah. It's not the same. And then they got it listed in centimeters so you can try to figure out. And, yeah. Well, I kind of like that aspect of it. Maybe that's what they do. Amazon, Levi's, and whoever else. But it does obviously mean you're having, what do you need those models for?
Yeah, unfortunately.
Yeah. Yeah, someone here says you could be really specific, like 6'3", 290 pounds.
With broad shoulders.
Or 2'5", 500 pounds. You know, people be having fun with it, like when you're able to create your own character in a video game.
Yeah.